Hello, my name is Paisley. I will be your brand ambassador for NewMar Motorhomes here at South Haven RV and Marine. Today, we will be getting a complete walkthrough of the 2026 NewMar SuperStar 4059. This amazing Super C diesel coach offers all the amenities of the much more expensive diesel pushers in a more compact and maneuverable coach. Come with me now as we take this journey together. We will start with the exterior of the beautiful full-body paint. Featuring a full paint masterpiece finish with Clearcoat and premium exterior design, this coach stands out on the road. With painted power baggage doors, automatic steps, and hydraulic leveling jacks, convenience is built right in. As we journey around this beautiful unit, check out just some of the distinctive differences, as well as attention to detail. Keyless entrance with touchpad and doorbell, hydraulic leveling jacks, convex mirrors with defrost remote, tow guard rear protective, undercoating and rear storage. Side storage bays opening with hydraulic cylinders make open and closing a dream. Follow me into the magnificent details that make up the interior of the 4059. Here are just a few of the highlighted things to pay close attention to. Living area seating, sofa and booth dinette, HVAC vents, and heat pump air. Residential tile floors, Whirlpool 19.7 cubic foot refrigerator, all-electric induction cooktop, countertop space, strategic sightlines out of patio-side dinette. This space feels like home, perfect for breakfast with a view. As we move back into the master suite, you'll immediately notice how open and residential this floor plan feels. The king-size bed is positioned for easy access on both sides, giving you true walk-around space instead of feeling confined. Overhead cabinetry and full wardrobe storage provide the kind of capacity you need for extended trips or even full-time living. Natural light, clean finishes, and thoughtful layout make this space feel more like a luxury condo than a motorhome. And just beyond here is the rear bath that really completes the experience. And back here, you've got a true rear bath with a spacious shower, solid surface vanity, and plenty of storage. The adjacent wardrobe and closet space give you residential level capacity, perfect for extended travel or full-time living. Here are just a few highlight features that you will appreciate. Sit back and enjoy. I will catch up with you momentarily. Drivers and passenger cab area. Theater seating. Booth dinette. Induction cooktop. Residential refrigerator. Stack washer. Power cord reel and auto transfer switch. Thank you for letting me be your brand ambassador for NewMar Motorhomes here at South Haven RV and Marine. I am amazed every time I have a chance to view the SuperStar 4059. Sometimes a short video doesn't always tell the story about how amazing this unit is. With spring around the corner, let us help you scratch that travel itch that is working on you. www.southhavenrv.com